Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to revise what we have learned in our previous sessions. We have learned about pronouns. What is the meaning of pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used to replace a noun. We use pronoun to avoid the repetition of nouns. There are two types of pronouns, singular and plural. I is a singular pronoun and we is its plural pronoun. He, she, it are singular pronouns and they is plural pronoun. Pronoun you remains same for both singular and plural nouns. First, let us begin with pronoun I. Whenever we are talking about ourselves, we will use pronoun I. Here this boy is saying, myself Shaurya, I am a boy. When someone asks you to tell about yourself, what do you say? Yes, you say, my name is Vansh, I am a boy, I am 6 years old. Right, children? Now, let us move on to another pronoun. This is Swati and this is her mother. Pronoun she is used to replace a name of any girl or a woman. That can be your mother, aunt, friend who is a girl, grandmother and sister. If I will ask you to tell something about your mother, what will you say? Yes. My mother's name is Riya Patel. She is a teacher. तो चिल्ड्रन, आपकी मदर के लिए हम कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे? She, क्योंकि वो एक वुमन है. These are the pictures of a man and a boy respectively. Pronoun he is used to replace a name of any boy or a man. For example, name of your father, brother, uncle, grandfather and friend. Children, if I ask you, what does your father do? Then you will say, my father is a doctor and he works in the hospital. You replace father with pronoun he as he is a man. Let us discuss about pronoun you. When we are talking to any one person, we use you as a singular pronoun. Let me explain you with one example. When you are talking to any of your friend, then what you will say? You will say, you are my friend. Here you are talking to only one friend and that is why you is a singular pronoun. And when will we use the pronoun you as a plural pronoun? When we are talking to more than one person, we use you as a plural pronoun. In this example, this boy is talking to his neighbors who are more than one. That is why he is saying, you both are my neighbors. Both means एक से ज़्यादा. So we can say that here we use you as a plural pronoun. Pronoun it is used to replace a name of anything, animal or a place. For example, this is a car and car is the name of a thing. This is an elephant. It is the name of an animal. This is the picture of a temple and it is the name of a place. And so we replace all these names with pronoun it. In this picture, Shaurya is talking about himself and his friends. He is saying, Nipa, Rohit, Tapan and I are friends. Here in the second sentence, we have used the pronoun we as Shaurya is talking about himself and his friends. Pronoun they is used to replace the plural nouns. In this picture, children, kites and puppies are the plural nouns which we will replace with the pronoun they. What is the singular pronoun? I will explain you with this example. This is a dog. Here we are talking about only one dog. So we will use the pronoun it for the noun dog. Now what is a plural pronoun? When we are talking about more than one, like these are more than one puppies. So we will use the pronoun they for puppies. Pronoun I is used for only one and pronoun we is used for more than one. So we can say that pronoun I is a singular pronoun and pronoun we is a, yes, very good, plural pronoun. Now you must have understood what are singular pronouns. I, she, he, it and you are singular pronouns because we are talking about only one person, place, animal or thing. Now what are plural pronouns? We, they and you are plural pronouns. Let's practice what we have learnt. This is the picture of a man. Which pronoun do we use, children, for this man? Very good. We will use pronoun he. This is the picture of a woman. Which pronoun do we use for this woman? Yes, we will use pronoun she. Good job. Let's move on to another question. This is the picture of a flower. Children, which pronoun do we use? Yes, well done. Pronoun it. This is the picture of birds. There are more than one. Yes, great. We will use pronoun they. It's time for homework. Make 4 flowers like this for pronoun he, she, it and they. And write the nouns in the petals for which we use these pronouns. Thank you and have a nice day.